Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App video. Today I'm going to show you how to get a glow-in-the-dark Cash App card. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. If you don't know what Cash App is, definitely check out the other videos on my channel. I have hundreds of tutorials and experiments for you to check out. And if you sign up with my link in the description, you will get $5 for free. So what we want to do is go to the card screen, which is the second item over in the tab bar. So Cash App has this card. It connects to your wallet balance right here. It's a dope looking card. It allows you to get some cool discounts. You can tap the change button here and see all of the different discounts you can get. They vary day to day, so you kind of have to just keep checking in and see what's available. They've added some new options for cash cards to get, so let's go ahead and tap the three dots on the top right of the card. Then we want to tap design new card. So you can see we've got the white one, which I made a video about. Now they've got a glow in the dark. Then they have this one down here, cash card for HBA, which is pretty interesting as well, but that one costs $35. You can see these have $5 in the bottom right corner, so it costs $5 to get a new one or replace your card. So I checked out the HBA one. You don't get to design it or anything. Like, this is what it looks like when it comes to you. Pretty wild looking. You just tap on it and then put in your address and they will send it to you. But with these other options, you get to design it. Okay, so let's go ahead and design a glow in the dark card and then order this thing. So down in the bottom middle, you can show or hide your cash tag. I'm just going to turn mine off for this one. And then you have this section to tap and customize. You can customize this area. You can draw whatever you want in it. I have another video that explains this well in detail if you want to check that out. But I might just add some emojis here. Alright, so that looks interesting enough. Let's go ahead and do it. Tap next. Next, it's going to have you put your address in. So this is the confirmation screen. Confirm your cash card order. Here's a preview of your card. The funding source is from my Cash App balance. It's going to be $5, and then I just tap confirm order. Confirm your cash PIN. Your cash card order is confirmed. Your current card will continue working until you activate your new cash card. So it looks like you can only have one working at the same time, but that's fine. Just gonna tap done. And just like that, my Cash App card order is in. You can see under my card right now, it says preparing cash card arrives soon. And if I tap on that, it says your cash card is being personalized and will be on its way soon. Just tap OK. So that's pretty dope. You can use this feature to order any of these cash cards. Most of them are only $5. We can look at my Cash App balance and see that $5 has been taken out. Also under the activity screen, you can see cash card, glow in the dark cash card up at the top there for $5. You can tap on that and see the order details. When this cash card gets shipped to me, I'll show you guys it in person. You can take a look at it and see what it's like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.